In this video, I'm going to be walking you through how to transfer Opay POS to another people or to other people. Let's say you are no more interested in running the Opay business again, and you have a POS with you on your name, and then you just feel like, okay, you see another person that actually want to be using the POS, then you actually need to transfer the POS to that particular person. So how you can actually do that is that you log into your Opay business account, then on the top left where you see 3 lines, so just click on that. So I don't know if you are using Android or an iPhone, you can also follow the same process. So scroll all the way down, then you can see this option right here where you see transfer POS. Transfer your POS to other people, you can see right there. Then you can click on that, then you're gonna see the page just like this. So you can see I don't have any POS on my own account. So handover request, they're gonna review that, seek to purchase. So if you want to buy a POS from people that are already using their own, but then they want to sell it, so you can see seek to purchase. You can see right there are a lot of people, so you can just select your own state, then you can actually buy from other people. So if you already have your own POS, you see it here, then you can see where you can actually transfer to other people. So they're gonna ask you who actually you want to sell your POS to. So you're gonna provide the person details, then you will see under the handover request, so you will see that they're gonna review the POS and the details you provided. So you can see hand over to me, hand over. So the handover will be that the person you actually hand over the POS to on this particular page right here.